In the heart of Agrabah's bustling market, Alladin weaves through the crowd, his nimble figure vanishing and reappearing like a shadow. With expert precision, Alladin's nimble fingers slip into a merchant's pocket, acquiring a small golden trinket, leaving the merchant none the wiser. Chimpo, the loyal companion, perches on Alladin's shoulder, an ever-watchful partner in their daily escapades through the labyrinthine streets of Agrabah. Disguised in simple clothes, Princess Leyla ventures beyond the palace walls, her eyes filled with curiosity and an unquenchable thirst for life's unknowns. Alladin's thieving instincts kick in as he spots an opportunity to snatch from Leyla, but as their eyes meet, a fleeting moment of connection halts his hand mid-reach. Surrounded by the vibrant chaos of the market, Alladin and Leyla find solace in their conversation, brief moments of solace amidst their contrasting worlds. Leyla's heart opens to the richness of Alladin's character as he weaves tales of adventures, hardships, and resilience, captivating her with every word. Weighed down by the burden of his past, Alladin stares into the distance, contemplating a life that extends beyond thieving and embraces personal growth. Chimpo, the mischievous chimp, mirrors Alladin's introspective expression, urging him to embrace change and transform into the person he aspires to be. Before a gilded mirror, Leyla's reflection reveals a face torn between the weight of societal expectations and the genuine connection she shares with Alladin. At a pivotal crossroads of his life, Alladin casts away his thieving tools, embracing a future fueled by the desire to be a better person, guided by kindness and compassion. Breaking free from the confines of tradition, Leyla extends her hand to Alladin, determined to bridge the gap between their worlds and challenge preconceived notions.